Welcome back to the Counterman Education Center. I'm here with Scott. Scott, I got another coolant question. I've been asked about green coolant. I've been asked about blue coolant. Today I was asked about European coolant. What can you tell me about that?
Well, first of all, Jeff, when you get these coolant things, stay cool.
I could do that.
Okay. European coolant is very different because it is specifically designed for manufacturers like, but not limited to, BMW, Mercedes, and the German cars. Okay, they use a lot of alloy blocks and they use a lot of aluminum heads. And there can be a chemical reaction go on between those two dissimilar metals that can cause gaskets to break down. Then you end up with a head gasket leak. So the coolant is specifically designed with its formulation to work better in that environment. It's normally called OAT or HOT formulation. It stands for organic acid technology or hybrid acid technology. The old green coolants relied heavily on silicates. This formulation is not silicate in nature. It is formulation based with its additives so that any kind of corrosion or long-term durability is not compromised because of the chemical makeup of the coolant. It is typically pink, purple, or blue.
Okay.
But the thing that you should always remember about coolants, never match coolants by their colors.
Okay.
Always go by the specific formulation and make sure you're putting exactly back in there either what the original equipment manufacturer asks for or what you know is in the system.
Scott, thank you for helping me keep my coolants straight.
You bet.
Much appreciated. Stay cool, and we'll see you next time.